Vlogmas Day number 5. We'll make the whole like floor shake when we do that. Anyway, we are decorating for Christmas, as you can tell by my Christmas trees. So yeah, we are gonna get started. I apologize in advance if the lighting's kind of weird. We had to use our studio lights because it is super dark.
Cloudy.
It's cloudy and it's also super dark in this living room, as you guys have seen. But we are going to pick a paint color and fix this because I can't live like this anymore. So anyway, let's get started with this decorate with me. Or I guess decorate with us. Oh, let's do it. So some behind the scenes, we have to unplug this light because we want to put something right there in front of the plug. But this is how the mantle is turning out, and it actually kind of just looks the same, but we did add some Star Wars characters up there, so that's cute. But it basically just looks the exact same. But I really like it because it's very, I feel like it's not too busy, but it's just like the right amount of stuff on there, you know? So anyway, we're getting ready to put a bear there, and then we are gonna move on over to this little corner and decorate. This is the bear that we're gonna put over here. Okay, do you think it looks good there? Or he needs to be more centered. Is that better?
Yeah.
So after decorating, we realized we don't have as much stuff as we thought. Well, I kind of knew that, but then James was like, no, we have more stuff than you think we do. But I was like, yeah, but now we have more house than we think we do. And so, yeah, we were both kind of right.
We were both right, just in different ways.
Yeah. So I'm going to show you guys what we have done. And then I think we're probably going to get a few more things and decorate a little bit more. And then obviously we still have the tree to do, which is going to be Sunday's vlog. But I think as part of Vlogmas, I want to do like a Christmas home tour, which means I'm gonna have to like organize those back rooms and show you guys like the whole house.
Good, I wanted to organize my room anyways again because it got kind of crazy after Thanksgiving.
Yeah, so I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a Christmas house tour. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of the highlights that we just did. Stay tuned for a full reveal of the Christmas house, but I will show you guys what we did today. So we did this. This is actually a new Christmas decoration that we just bought. And then we have these. I've had these forever. And then of course, I can't forget Yoda and my random flip-flop that's right there. Fun. Anyway, so we have that going on. Then we have this, which is probably my favorite part of our Christmas decorating. It just looks so cute and I love it. And I love that we have a fireplace. It's just like perfect. So that makes me happy. Like, this is my favorite part. And then of course I put my bear right there. Bear there. We have a couple more decorations.
Especially that foam roller. That's definitely the important Christmas decoration.
Oh yeah. So we have a few more things that we need to find a place for, but that's basically the living room. We have that, and then our tree, which is not done. And like I said, come back for Sunday's video. Then we have, sorry about the really yellow lighting in here, but then we have the coffee bar. I don't know about this yet. I really don't. I don't know if I like it, so we will see. It just is not turning out the way that I wanted it to, because that sign is a little too tall to be over here. Like, my fall sign worked perfectly right there, but this is a little bit bigger and it doesn't have a stand, which obviously we could fix that, but I don't know if I like it there. I just don't know. So anyway, the other things I think are cute, but I don't know. Like I said, this is a struggle. And then in here, I actually really like this. We have this little Christmas tree with blue lights, which is kind of funny. And then we have our Santa pillows, which I've been so excited to put these out. I think they are perfect. And then this blanket we normally sleep with anyway, but I normally don't like leave it in here. Once I make the bed, I put the blanket away because it doesn't work with the blue pillows, but because we have those pillows, it works. So yeah, perfect for Christmas. So now we are done decorating for right now. Like I said, we're gonna need more decorations, so this isn't over. This is not over.
Decorating part one.
Decorating part one, but I don't think we'll film another decorate with me, but I definitely want to do like a Christmas house tour. I think that would be so much fun. So let me, Dixie, why? Life of a dog parent, like she won't stop barking at us to throw her toy while we're trying to film. Anyway, so let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see a Christmassy house tour. I've wanted to do an updated house tour anyway, now that we are officially all moved in and settled. So I think it'd be fun to do it for Christmas to show you guys the Christmassiness of it all. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see a Christmas house tour. But now we are going to watch, what is it, babe? The Mandalorian.
The Mandalorian.
Yeah, I got it. We're gonna watch that and just chill, and then we'll do our advent calendar stuff. So I'm sorry that this vlog is kind of
awesome.
It's awesome, but like at the same time we didn't do as much decorating as I thought because we didn't have as much stuff as I thought. So yeah, we're gonna need to go shopping.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
Anyway.
Load of decorations.
Wow. All right, so we're gonna go have some dinner, chill, and we'll be back for advent calendar time. Advent time, advent time, advent time. Okay. Also, Dixie has arrived. She heard us getting the advent calendars out. This is gonna be bad after all of this. She's just gonna expect something every night. Anyway, all right, we're going to open day number 4. It's another red one.
Ooh.
Goodbye.
And she's up.
It's time for day number 4. We're gonna have 4 dinosaurs on the table. It's gonna be
Dynamite.
Dynamite party. Okay, day number 4. It's up here. here. Okay, well this is a fail. Why is this not working for me? Come on. There we go. It's Spike!
Spike! It's Spike's cousin, Spike's green.
Oh, okay. He's joining the party over here. Why are you so weird? Okay, well. I don't even know what I was gonna say because you got me all distracted. Okay, we got this, All right, guys, so that is gonna wrap up today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us decorate the house. Well, part of the house, because we need more decorations apparently. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as that bell notification. And we will see you guys tomorrow for an exciting vlog full of Christmas lights. All right, guys, we will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.